y'all, it's Jazz. I'm back with another video, and today's topic is about natural curl pattern and hair elasticity. But before we get into this, I want to talk about my client real quick. This is her 4th visit, so she usually comes once a month to get her mud mask treatment and her silk press. And as y'all can see, her curls are really pretty. They are intact. She is not experiencing any heat damage. I just wanted to give a live example of what I'm going to be saying in the next few minutes. So the reason why you need your curl pattern is because that's how you maintain the strength within your natural hair shaft. The strength of your hair is measured by your hair elasticity. So the thing about the hair elasticity is that it determines how well your hair can form back to its natural shape, which is your natural curl pattern. So the thing is, your natural curl pattern will give your hair the bounce and the volume and the body when it's blown out. You ever had a relaxer, right? Just think about it. You ever have a relaxer, and once your curl pattern is broken, your hair just doesn't feel as bouncy and it sheds tremendously. Well, that's because you are breaking your hair elasticity, which weakens the hair cuticle. And best believe this goes for over processed color treated hair and heat damage. So heat damage is not excluded. Let me say that again. Heat damage is not excluded from this. Okay, and that's why the mud should be the standard of all of our hair care regimens, because you are continually strengthening your natural hair after applying hot tools, color, and chemical treatments. Y'all, I am stumbling over my words right now. But you are continually strengthening your hair after applying hot tools, color, and chemical treatments. If you don't have a curl pattern, that's fine. It's no judgment. But still take precautions. Like, still pour into your hair. Give it the energy it needs. Because maybe one day you'll wake up. Maybe one day you'll feel like, I want to start over. I want to maintain healthy hair again. At least y'all had something to start with. But anywho, y'all, I'm on the second shampoo, and y'all see it sudsing up really well. We've done the clarifying process. Now we're doing the hydration process with 1212 conditioner, steam, and water. You need this because this is the source of your moisture. All of those creams and oils is not the source of your moisture. This is the process right here that you have to slow down and make sure that you're being very detailed and thorough about if you want to have that shine, that effortless shine that you're going to see at the end of this video. And just look at her curls, like, oh my goodness, like the way they pop back. And that's how it's supposed to be. So I'm pretty much going through the process that I normally go through with every client. After the mud, it's the cleanse, hydrating, and then we protect it with the heat protectant, which is the hair mist, right? Oh yeah, don't forget to let that steam sit. We cannot forget, y'all, at least 15 minutes. But anywho, y'all can see her curls. Her curls are formed so well. Like, if she had a curl definer gel, she could literally walk out like this. But here we go with the heat protectant. We are applying it to her hair. And another thing about the mud, it is safe on color treated hair. To me, I feel like the mud makes color pop more. I don't know. It's just my personal analysis. Because my client right here, this is old color. But once y'all see it pressed out, it's going to look like new color again. Y'all see her blow dry hair is weightless. You know, that's how your hair should look. And look at that color. It look like she got that color done today. But anywho, I just had to dust her ends because she doesn't really apply heat at home. And I pretty much take care of her hair once a month. And then we got the curling process. Y'all know my clients love their tight curls. So we want, you know, keep it tight. And that's pretty much it. But I thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure you guys continue to like, comment, and subscribe. And, you know, if there's anything else y'all want us to post, let us know. And then I'll see y'all soon.